Do you know 2026 का सबसे बड़ा झूठ क्या है कि यूएस पढ़ाई करने मत आओ. Now before you start attacking me, please hear me out. मैं recently UT Dallas गई थी and Intro to Wireless is a course which actually I owe my entire career to. And pre-COVID, that class used to have at least 60 to 70 students and there used to be 3 batches for that class. It was such a demanding class. But would you believe, अब वो class हो ही नहीं रही. And do you know what the reason for that is? It requires 6 students for a professor to initiate a class and for that class अभी 6 students भी नहीं है. The professor is actually ready. और मजे की बात बताऊं, ये इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स की इंडस्ट्री कितने की है? $43 billion. बट ऑलरेडी $7 billion का लॉस हो चुका है यूएस यूनिवर्सिटीज को. 60,000 से ज्यादा जॉब कट्स हो चुके हैं. नाउ यू विल बी लाइक, रोशनी, if it is that bad, why are you suggesting us to come? Valid question, guys. The reason for that is because we are on the precipice of boom in the tech industry. Of course, we know about AI, but I'm also in the wireless industry and I've been here for like 10 years. जब 5G आया था, तब there was so much of jobs that were coming in the market. एकदम boom हुआ था of like, you know, jobs in the market. Qualcomm has said that 6G is going to come by 2029. If you come over here in 2026, you might graduate in 2028, 2029, right? And by the time you graduate, this AI bubble, as well as me being in the wireless industry, the semiconductor industry, so much of stuff that is basically being put, $1 billion have been put in the AI industry. All that is going to blast. Plus, past intakes में अगर students इतने कम आए हैं, तो there is going to be a shortage of international students who could take up these kind of jobs. And so the students who come now will have an advantage. So mano ya na mano, it is actually a golden opportunity. I came to the US with a lot of dreams and I've been able to accomplish most of them. And I'm extremely grateful for that. And I want to help you do the same. So if you are someone who's looking for information to come here to States, just comment here and we'll send it to you. Follow karna mat bhulna, because if you do not following me, I'll not be able to send it to you.